Vespucci Beach, sunset. The camera sweeps across Vespucci Beach, neon boards lighting up, volleyball nets set, palm trees swaying. In real life, this could be Miami's South Beach, but GTA 5 exaggerates it. Brighter skies, sexier silhouettes, hotter outfits. Close up, a woman in a neon bikini with glowing bracelets, walking past a row of beach goers. Her outfit resembles what you'd see at Coachella or Ibiza clubs, but turned up a notch. You arrive in a Grotti Turismo Omaggio, Ferrari-inspired supercar from legendary motorsport. Its glossy red paint reflects the ocean. Compared to real Ferraris, the Turismo's handling is sharper in-game, unreal cornering, insane acceleration. Water and weapons. Laughter breaks out as people pull out water guns, new GTA Online water blasters. You join in, firing streams of water at bikini-clad women. In real life, you'd expect a super soaker fight on Venice Beach, but here, it's playful chaos in 4K ultra graphics. Suddenly, the camera pans to your trunk. Beneath the beach fun lies arsenal-grade weapons, heavy sniper, carbine, RPG. This is GTA's contrast. Playful summer vibes above, deadly force below. After hours nightclub. Cut to the Galaxy nightclub downtown, lights pulsing. The crowd moves to techno, house, and Afrobeat. Dancers on podiums wear futuristic outfits, glowing latex, LED corsets. In real life, think Ibiza's Patcher or Vegas Omnia, but GTA exaggerates it with neon tigers, holograms, and wild NPC dance moves. You enter VIP with models in sequin dresses. One whispers in your ear, "Stay dangerous, baby, the city belongs to you." Luxury and crime business. Cut to the CEO office overlooking the skyline. Desk cluttered with stacks of cash from meth and cocaine trade, weed jars that glow under UV light, a bottle of champagne and diamond ashtray. This mirrors the real narco world: cannabis farms, meth labs, cocaine imports. In GTA, it's stylized, run through touchscreen computers, upgraded production chains, armored delivery vehicles. Your empire feels like a hybrid of El Chapo's cartel wealth and Wall Street CEO power. Climax, yachting shootout. A cut to night, you're on a luxury super yacht off Del Perro Pier. Party lights, DJ decks, bikini dancers, champagne spraying. Suddenly, enemy gang boats close in. Firefight erupts. Explosions light up the ocean. You dive into the water, action shot of bullets whizzing past like in a Michael Bay movie. You resurface, climb back aboard, and grab a special carbine. Final slow motion sequence. You take down the last wave of enemies as fireworks explode overhead. Final shot, victory on the beach. Back at Vespucci Beach, dawn rises. Your Turismo is parked beside you, its engine ticking hot. Next to it, a bikini model in high heels leans against the hood, sipping champagne. You fire one last stream of your water gun into the air, laughing. Screen fades to black with the words, GTA 5, where reality ends, and legend begins. High voltage. This scenario blends beach fun, right pointing arrow, Vespucci with sexy summer vibes and water guns, luxury cars, right pointing arrow, legendary motorsport, exotics vs real Ferrari, Lambo clubbing, right pointing arrow, after hours with Ibiza, Vegas inspiration, business, right pointing arrow, drugs, weapons, empire equals cartel, fantasy, action, right pointing arrow, yacht, firefight with cinematic slow-mo, seduction, right pointing arrow, stylish women plus luxury lifestyle, clapperboard, empire of Vice City at dusk, opening scene, Los Santos skyline. Camera pans over the neon lights, the luxury clubs, and the glowing pier. In the background, money machines hum and shipments move silently through the night. The city doesn't sleep, it trades, it hustles, it bleeds. Cigarette. The green empire, weed business. You are standing in a greenhouse hidden in the hills. Rows of lush cannabis plants glow under UV lights. Workers trim buds, pack airtight bags, and load them into vans. Weed, steady profit, always in demand. Scene shows the exchange, cash for crates. Security guards keep watch. In real life, it's like California's booming cannabis industry, legal yet still risky in the shadows. Gem. The white powder, cocaine. Cut to a luxury yacht anchored at Vespucci Beach. Inside, a cocaine lab operates like a factory. Masked workers cut, weigh, and seal kilos. Cocaine, the highest profit margin, dangerous but elite. Scene shows delivery by speedboat to a nightclub basement. In real life, it reflects the luxury, the high stakes, rich clients, but ruthless cartels. Alembic the Blue Fire, meth business, inside a desert bunker, bubbling glassware reflects neon blue flames. Gas masks, chemistry, danger in every drop. Meth, fast cash, volatile, risky. Scene shows a raid attempt, gunfight with rival gangs. Explosions light up the sandy night. In real life, meth is dirty, unstable, made in secrecy, yet highly profitable. Briefcase the business mind cut to you in a suit at the after-hours nightclub. The drug money launders through bars, parties, and VIP booths. Sexy dancers move under neon lights, music shakes the room. Deals happen in whispers, champagne corks explode. Here the scenario shows how all drugs fuel the empire. Weed for steady flow, coke for luxury clients, meth for quick turnover. Gun the price of power action erupts. A betrayal, an ally turned rival. A massive shootout across the club and onto the beach. Luxury cars burn, bullets fly, sirens echo. You grab a duffel bag of cash and escape on a motorcycle under the moonlit boardwalk. Sunrise ending scene, the choice you sit on the sand, exhausted. Behind you, the city burns with ambition. In front of you, the calm ocean reflects the sunrise. The empire is yours, but at what cost? Musical notes music fades with deep bass and slow motion shots of money, cars, women, and the endless city.